If this brand new Toyota Tacoma is not everything and a bag of chips, I'm gonna buy something else. I was recently on YouTube, as you do, and I saw somebody make a post about the brand new Toyota Tacoma. So I click on this video, and halfway through the video they say that the brand new Toyota Tacoma is supposed to be released or announced sometime in the next month. It is currently March 15th, so apparently, supposedly, by the end of April, we should know about the brand new Toyota Tacoma. And with that being said, I got curious. I was like, what if we missed this V6? What if we wish that we could have kept that V6? So I opened up another tab and I got onto Toyota's website. And I was looking for a 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. There were 3, every single one was $57,000. I'm not doing it. I cannot pay $57,000 for a mid-sized truck. If this brand new Toyota Tacoma does not absolutely amaze me, I might be buying something else. If you're a long-time subscriber, you already know. We're coming up on that time where we need a new vehicle. Well, we don't need, but you know. But if you are new to the channel, subscribe to watch my unhealthy buying habits. And I was thinking, if this brand new Toyota Tacoma isn't absolutely amazing, why would I go spend so much money on it? Now, before we write it off, let me tell you what I want to see from it. I want to see the brand new Toyota Tacoma with a powerful engine. With this Tacoma, unless you tune it, re-gear it, get a pedal commander or sprint booster, it is not moving. Now I get it, it's a truck, but there are other trucks in the segment that get up and go. For example, a Chevy Colorado, I had the chance to drive one of those. It is a peppy little thing. Secondly, I need the engine and transmission to like each other. I don't need them to love each other, but at least like. I'm sure we already know the current gen, the transmission and engine, not the happiest together. Upshift, downshift, upshift, downshift, it's a mess. And third, it cannot be overdone. I want there to be some Toyota Tacoma heritage. I don't want them just to find every new feature they can and just cram it in the truck just to say, hey, it's a new truck. Fourth, a little bit more room in the back seat. There's no reason why Sandy's Toyota Corolla has more space than my Toyota Tacoma pickup truck. And last but not least, a genuinely good audio system. So when I first purchased my Toyota Tacoma, the quicksand one, my cousin had also purchased a Camry. And being young and dumb, he turns up his sound system on the Camry. Mind you, these are both completely stock. He turns up his sound system and it sounds good. So I'm like, what does my sound like? So I start turning mine up. And then we're in this little bit of a competition where we're turning up the sound system as loud as it can go. The Tacoma's was vibrating, screaming, and begging to just be turned down, and the Camry's was bumping. It was sounding good. And my truck was $20,000 more than that Camry. I get that the Tacoma isn't meant to have a great sound system. It's just, if you could, I'd appreciate it. All right, so what am I gonna get if this Toyota Tacoma is not an absolute beast? Now, for some people, it's gonna be an absolute downgrade. You guys are gonna think I'm absolutely insane. But if you don't know, when I first started this YouTube channel, I had been talking about this vehicle for the longest time. I was always saying that if I could, I would get this truck. Let me give you some hints and let's see if you can guess it. It has a 5.7 liter V8. It is absolutely massive. It has proven reliability for over a decade, and it pulled a space shuttle. Yeah, it's a Toyota Tundra. I've recently gone to Toyota dealerships to look at the brand new one, and I can't get on board. I get that it's more powerful and it has more features and it looks cooler to some, but the Toyota Tundra, the 5.7, it made me fall in love. And if the next Toyota Tacoma doesn't have me head over heels, that's what we're buying.